Hello and welcome to a very special episode for all our volleyball fans. I'm Dip Dipiaco.
And I'm Neil Flores. Today on the show, we celebrate the second gold medal run of the PLDT High Speed Hitters. This is Starting Lineup.
JD! Puts it on top and hits it nice to Dagger
Gold medalist at the Olympic champion from Europe.
Well, their necks may be heavy, but their heads stay high as the PLDT High Speed Hitters proudly take their second gold medal right after a historic championship in the PVL. And of course, we have the invitational champions in the studio. Let's welcome Team Captain Kath Arado, Aliyah Malaluan, and Coach Rald Ricafort. Guys, welcome back! Woo! Congratulations!
Thank you.
Because you keep on winning, you keep on coming back dito sa show namin. But grabe, Neil, two-time champions in less than a month for the PLDT High Speed Hitters. Ikaw, Coach Rald, pangatlo mo na as a head coach in the PVL. But ang tanong ko is, I'm sure after ng championships on tour, hindi kagad kayo nakapag-celebrate ng buong buo. Kailan nagsimula yung usapan in terms of preparation for the Invitational? Dun ba sa celebration dinner, parang napag-usapan na yung susunod na gagawin niyo for the next tournament?
Parang gano'n na nga. After nung game nung finals, pinag-usapan agad yung schedule na, yun nga, we can celebrate mga 1 or 2 days. Pero after nun, mag-prepare na kami kasi sila ulit yung kalaban namin.
August 17 yun di ba? Yung nag-champion kayo, tapos 2 weeks later yung championship. So, mabilisan talaga yung naging tournament na to, Neil.
And Coach, you went undefeated for the whole conference, invitationals, and on tour. Wala kayong talo. How were you able to keep their heads afloat also? Kasi we know that the invitationals, aside from the local teams, may Japanese team din na pumasok. And hindi pa natin sila nakita maglaro dito sa Pilipinas. So how did you keep everybody stay in shape and to be competitive pa din in the invitationals?
Siguro yung una, sinakailan namin yung wave ng championship nung on tour. Yun nga, masaya mag-training pag galing sa mga panalo. At the same time, laking tulong nung nakabalik yung mga Alas players. Kasi yung sa physical din ng mga naglalaro during on tour, paubos na rin. Like, mga middle saka open. So, parang nung on tour, nung invitationals, may dagdag pa kaming mga players na nakatulong na malaki.
I remember nakausap namin si Aliyah. She was here on the show after the on tour, diba? You were joining the team, you were supporting them on the sidelines. Pero ngayon, how does it feel before the championship first, just to be on the court with your teammates in PLDT for the first time in the PVL dahil yung debut game pa lang niya, Neil, ay nag-player of the game agad si Aliyah?
Siyempre, panatag po ako sa loob ng court kasi nga, as what I always say, sobrang andyan yung ates to guide me. And na-feel ko din na parang yung assurance sila always there, parang yung comfort ko din sa loob ng court. Kasi yun nga, yung assurance sila na okay lang magkamali kasi everyone makes mistakes. Yeah.
Was there familiarity in that starting unit? Kasi pag tinitingnan ko yung PLDT, ang daming from Lasal So I guess the integration wasn't that difficult for you, lalo na't mga ate mo naman yung mga nasa loob. But how did you also adjust? Kasi syempre, we know that you're coming from Lasal, from the collegiate level, but now this is a different level. Aside from your Alas stint, nasa pros ka na din in the PVL.
Up until now, I can say na I'm still adjusting lalo na sa loob ng court. Kasi kaya nga sobrang tutok ni coach sa akin kapag every time out, ang dami nila instructions sa akin. Kasi hindi pa ako ganun ka-solid sa loob. Kasi parang ilang weeks lang ako nakapag-training with them ahead ng invitational. So, in terms of connection naman with my Lasal ate, syempre, pag nanonood kasi ako nung pag-training, syempre nakikita ko how they play. So parang doon pa lang I try to aralit na.
Kausapan naman natin ng back-to-back best libero lang naman at Finals MVP, di ba? MVP. MVP. Kath Arado, kasama natin. Kath, talk about this invitational tournament. Being a captain, of course. Sabi nga ni Coach Rald, after ng on-tour, hindi agad naka-celebrate fully dahil you have another mission. Ano yung sinabi mo sa teammates mo during this quick invitational tournament na maging mas focus pa at makuha yung isa pang gold?
Actually, wala siyang mahabang speech. Kasi nga, yung mga tao naman talaga since nag-start yung on tour, talaga nakafocus siya. Yun naman talaga yung goal namin eh. Yung pumasok sa Final Four, then pa isa-isa na siya. So, nung pagpasok pa lang namin sa semis, kahit may goal na kami, mayroon pa ring part na naka-mindset sa amin na maglalaro pa rin kami until the last parang day nung invitational. So, parang yung guidance lang din talaga ng coaches na parang laging paalala lang din talaga na wag iwasan mo na yung mga alis-alis. Kung kaya magpahinga, pahinga talaga, yung binibigay niya. Tsaka malaking tulong talaga yung pinagpapahinga niya kami ng buong araw. Na hindi niya kami pinupush na, magtraining tayo kasi ganito, ganyan, may kulang pa tayo. Talagang mas more on, inalagaan nila coach yung katawan namin para makapag-perform kami talaga.
You know, the best part about this championship is that it wasn't handed on a silver platter. And you really worked hard for it. Nakita namin yung storya ng PLDT. So, Kat, gusto ko talaga makwento mo sa amin yung experience through your eyes. Because you've been through it all with PLDT. Yung mga masasakit na talo, yung mga kamuntikan na kayong pumasok sa finals. But now, look at that. Twice. Di ba?
Yeah.
Back-to-back champions, undefeated pa kayo.
Siguro, totoo talaga yung sinasabi na hindi naman all the time. Parang yung niloloko kami ng mga coaches na parang gulong nga yung buhay. Hindi naman laging nasa baba ka. Kailangan mo lang talagang paghirapan every day kung ano yung gusto mong goal para sa sarili mo and para sa team. So, yung napagdaanan talaga ng team, hindi talaga siya basta-basta eh. Kasi kahit kami mga players, even coaches, talagang may time na parang pasuko na, parang nako-question na yung tama pa ba itong ginagawa natin, tama pa ba itong tinatahak nating parang ganun. So, pero thankfully talaga, yung coaches, kahit na may mga ganung moment kami, kahit na nafe-feel nilang emotion na parang bad, they keep pa rin, parang motivate kami na hindi kaya pa natin. Magtrabaho lang tayo, parang kung sa game, parang 1 point at a time tayo, parang ganun. So, day by day talagang hinahandle ng coach yung mga bad day namin, yung mga parang masasakit na may mga pangyayari. So, credits din talaga sa coaches na kahit kami nagda-doubt na sa sarili namin, sila hindi mo talaga makikitaan na nagda-doubt sila sa amin. So yung tiwala talaga 100 or parang 200% pa nga yung binibigay. So hindi ganun kadali sa amin, hindi siya ganun kahirap sa mga player na mag-perform to the highest level talaga.
Coach Rald, saan nanggagaling yung ganun tiwala? Kasi curious ako, after the On-Tour Championship, siguro from the back end, your discussions with the management, after the On-Tour Championship, that was the goal. I'm sure masaya lahat. But on your end, as the head coach, parang mas nabawasan ba yung pressure dahil nakapag-champion na kami or parang pareho lang eh. Kailangan pa rin namin mag-back-to-back, yun yung goal eh. What was the level of, I guess, expectations coming into the Invitational?
Well, from the management side, ever since naman, di naman sila nagbibigay ng ganong pressure sa amin. So kami rin sa players, ganoon din yung pinapa-feel namin. Pero yun nga, iba kasi yung feeling na hindi pa nila na-experience yung championship. Tapos yun nga, dahil may momentum pa, mas naging, hindi rin madali pero alam mo, hindi mo masyadong kailangan ika-stress.
Yeah.
Kasi enough na yung stress na makalaro mo yung mga mga kalaban mo sa invitationals. So yun.
Na-feel natin yung stress at kung ano yung pinagdaanan mo. But again, congratulations guys. Great feat for the PLDT high-speed hitters. Now, after the break, we'll take a look at some of the best championship memories with them. So stay tuned. You're watching Starting Lineup. Welcome back to Starting Lineup. We're still celebrating the back-to-back goals of the PLDT high-speed hitters, and we're still joined by Kat Arado, Aliyah Malaluan, and Coach Rald Ricafort. Guys, pag-usapan natin yung difference ng PVL On Tour and Invitationals. I know both are special, both are golds, but Kat, for you, ano yung kaibahan nila?
Siguro yung pinagkaiba talaga is nilulook forward namin yung Japan na games. Kasi bihira lang yung ganung opportunity eh. Lalo na pag, yun nga, i-represent mo yung country mo. So, tsaka knowing Japan talaga, marami kang matututunan sa kanila.
Yeah.
So, maraming, yung parang unfamiliar na nakikita mo na dito lang sa local. So, talagang yun yung parang training ground din natin, Coach, no? Parang, dun kasi matetest lahat ng kung ano yung experience mo all throughout ng career mo. So, yun talaga yung parang, siguro special din para sa amin.
Speaking of facing international teams, Aliyah, you came from a national team stint. You faced different countries, international teams. Did that help you in terms of this invitational preparing for a team like Kobe Shinwa? May nakita ka bang nuances na I actually got to play with some of the players abroad at parang na-realize ko ganito sila maglaro. Did that come into play?
Yes, kasi to be honest, sa start pa lang ng finals, I'm very nervous, tas excited. Pero parang one thing that came into my mind is nakapaglaro na ako sa international, na-survive ko yung malalaking Russian players. Bakit ba to parang matatakot pa
Not just
ako?
survived, thrived. You scored like what? How many points, di ba?
Yeah, pero yun, yun yung sinabi ko sa sarili ko para mabawasan yung nervous ko. Tapos, ayun, I think it showed naman kasi, yeah.
You were one of the 4 players who scored in double digits in that finals game. So again, ang ganda na. Saktong-sakto yung fit ni Aliyah sa PLDT.
Thanks to my teammates.
Yes, of course. Coach, you've set a new standard in the PVL. The standard always changes, tumataas yung bar. How do you plan on sustaining it? Kasi ngayon, nasa inyo na yung target ng other teams. Kung dati kayo yung naghahabol for a championship, ngayon naman kayo naman ang magde-defend ng corona nyo sa mga susunod na conference.
Well, yung on tour naman sa invitationals, medyo heavy yung natin yung pag-push natin sa mindset ng players. Kasi yun naman tinuturo natin ever since para ma-overcome din yung mga naging challenges namin. Pero yun nga, ang magiging difference talaga niya this time, yung binanggit mo nga na magiging target na kami ng mga teams, no? So, pagbalik ulit namin by September 15, yun naman yung next na i-apply sa kanila. Na hindi kami pwedeng magstay kung ano yung level nung pinagdaanan na itong dalawang championship.
So, around 2 weeks din na medyo makakapahinga.
Well-deserved.
Makaka-celebrate at makaka-relax bago magbakbakan ulit. But Coach, let's talk about some of your players who aren't here, of course, who are part of the championship. I'm just curious to ask your trust with your bench players. Dahil nakita natin Neil nung on tour and invitational na carry over, you had some players off the bench na maganda yung pasok, actually nakaka-contribute in the final points. To name a few, sila Sheila Quezeo always in the service line, si Jessie De Leon had their moments as well. Paano nagsisimula yung ganong tiwala mo with those players to send them inside kapag crucial moments?
Mahirap siguro yung naging process nun. Pero yun nga, yung role na binibigay mo talaga sa players eh. Pag nag-buy-in, nagiging madali yung nagiging process. So yung mga roles na yun like kay Sheila, yung kila Jessie na off the bench, kailangan mo talaga siya i-develop kasi hindi naman umiikot talaga yung strong team sa starters nila. So the more na nag-perform lahat with the bench, mas nagiging kompleto yung laro.
That's also very tricky, no? Kasi for coaches, it's going to be a hit or a miss kung gumana yung ipapasok mo or not. And since we're talking about positions, Aliyah, you share the same position with Savvy Davison. And in the finals, nung start nung game, it was very clear that she was getting checked by the defenders of Kobe Shinwa. Napabagal nila. But then, there you were, scoring for your team. So how does that feel? Kamusta yung experience na yun na you're playing with a really talented athlete like Savvy Davison and kailangan yung suporta mo maibigay mo para lalong umangat yung team?
First, it's an honor to play with her. And at the same time, di ko naman magawa yan without the help ng buong team eh. So, seeing her pa lang sa training, that's something that motivates me kasi grabe yung level of play niya. So, parang dinidream ko din na maging ganon in the future sana. Pero, yeah, sobrang something that motivates me talaga si ate. And at the same time naman, di ko din alam paano nangyari yon. Pero, naglaro lang talaga. Di naman ako nag-iisip masyado kapag naglalaro. Wag lang talaga topakin. Pero, I just really wanna play without pressure. Yun lang.
You're definitely on the right track.
Yeah.
Right, Neil? We've covered Aliyah's games at yung mga double-digit outputs mo sa first tournament mo in the PVL. Obviously, really great performance. For you, Kath, wala akong masabi sa mga ginagawa ni Kath inside the court, especially during the finals. Nakakapuntos pa siya as a libero. Ikaw, Kath, from on tour, you got the award of Best Libero, Invitational. In-expect mo ba with your performance there na parang akin ulit tong award? I know you're not thinking about individuals, but did you have an idea na I'm playing so well right now in this tournament? Pumapasok ba yun sa isip mo?
Parang hindi po. Kasi parang yung status kasi ng team, lahat nagko-contribute eh. Lahat gumagawa talaga. Lahat parang yung level ng paglalaro talagang tinaas talaga. So, tsaka ang daming, like si Jen, nag-perform talaga na Tsaka hindi siya katulad nung on tour kasi na naglalabas parang every week ata ng stats. So, parang lagi lang, ang nagre-remind lang lagi sa akin na, meron kang stats sa receive si Coach Arnold. Kasi nga, parang hindi naman siya lagi na nangyayari sa akin kasi nga hindi nga ako natatarget. So,
Totoo yan.
so, yung stats ko, parang agaw lang siya. agaw sa mga receive pag nahihirapan na or pag may mga opportunity na kailangan mag-receive ako ng mas maayos. So yun, parang, pero hoping na ganun. Kasi gusto ko din naman talaga na,
Of course.
parang mas mapadali yung trabaho ni Ate Kim. So yun talaga yung goal ko talaga na, parang malagay yung pangalan ko sa stats para si Ate Kim, hindi ganun ka nahihirapan. Sana, hindi siya nahihirapan.
Parang hindi naman. Hindi naman. Well, Kat, ikaw yung isa sa mga napagod talaga sa PVL on tour and invitationals. Babad na babad ka sa court and we clearly saw that. So for you to be able to win Finals MVP, it was an amazing feat. Magwawala nga dapat kami pag hindi ko yung tinawag. The joke lang. Pero you really deserve that. And I think I discovered my new favorite dynamic duo sa likod. Silang dalawa. Si Elea at pag si Kat, promise, when you
Perfect
really
pala yung
observe them, hirap na hirap yung Kobe Shinwa to get a point kasi nade-depensa nila. Lahat nakaka-receive sila. Now, Kat, now that you've already set a bar high also for your individual performance, what's next for you? Ano pang gusto mong ma-achieve? Kasi you're just getting started. So I know marami ka pang mga goals na nasa checklist mo.
More championship pa po, syempre. Yun naman talaga yung, ang tagal kong hinintay, ang tagal kong pinagtrabahuan, pati din yung team. Ang dami nga yung mga almost and heartbreak. So, yun talaga yung goal. Kasi nga, sabi ko nga, yung mga individual awards, bonus talaga siya. Bonus siya, hindi lang naman credit sa akin. Credit talaga yun sa team. And lalo na, alam ko din kasi, parang sa amin kasi talaga wala na siyang ilangan. So, ganun. So, nagpe-perform kami na walang filter. And alam namin, yung isa't isa, talagang may tiwala. So, siguro, mas nag-i-improve, lalo na ako, as a player, lalo na parang leader sa group. Kasi nga, hindi sila mahirap dalhin. Hindi sila mahirap pagsabihan. Hindi mahirap bigyan ng instruction. Kasi nga, bago mo palang bagitin, alam na nila eh. Iniisip na nila na gano'n na dapat yung galawin namin. So siguro, na lang talaga, mas more on, kailangan ko pang tignan yung mga past mistakes ko para mas maging consistent pa talaga. And di naman ako nag-worry sa mga ganong mistakes ko kasi sila coach talagang tutok naman sila, lalo na sa akin. Kasi alam naman nila kung ano pa yung kailangan i-push para sa akin.
Bantay sarado niya yung depensa, bantay sarado ni Coach,
oo.
yung mga galaw ng players niya. Alright, we'll talk about the future and what's next for PLDT after this. So stay with us and stay tuned. You're watching Starting Lineup. Welcome back. You're still watching Starting Lineup. We're still with the champs, the PLDT High Speed Hitters with Coach Rald Ricafort, Alea Malaluan, and Kath Arado. Coach Rald, pag-usapan natin yung mga preparations na onte. Siguro yung mga learnings mo muna from that invitational na i-carry mo sa Reinforced. Dahil gusto ko tanungin Neil, you won that game against Kobe Shinwan nung preliminaries in straight sets. Yung first set na drop nyo in the finals, medyo na kinabahan yung mga PLDT fans, even yung mga sumusuporta gusto manalo kayo. Ano yung parang mga napulot mo after that set 1 na adjustment na pwede mo ring dalin sa Reinforced Conference?
Siguro yun muna yung mga ginalaw din ng mga Kobe players. Lalo yung dalawang open spikers nila. Kasi kahit nandun na kami, okay na yung blocks, nakapwesto naman sa likod, ginawan talaga nila ng paraan. So kung may mapupulot, sana kahit paano ma-inspire kami na magaya sila in terms of decision making, saka yung maging ganun ka-consistent.
Yeah. Saka bilis mag-isip. On the fly, kaya nilang mag-decide ka nung gagawin. Aliyah, I wanna ask you what you discovered about yourself after that Alas Pilipinas stint. I know marami ka palang madidiscover, but sa ngayon, ano yung mga nalaman mo that helped you also perform really well with PLDT?
Siguro pagkakaroon ng trust sa sarili ko din. Kasi parang nawala yan So parang slowly I'm trying to build myself again. And I'm getting there naman. Which is I'm really happy kasi PLDT is really helping me with that.
Which would you credit that to, I guess, the trust na build sa sarili mo? Was there anything in particular, a game that you think flipped the switch for you, or any teammate that really inspired you to get back on that same level?
Actually, Coach Rald, tsaka yung teammates, like yung starting six, kasi never sila napagod na remind ako na okay lang yan. Parang dun pa lang sa point na yun, kasi parang nawala yung ganong naririnig ko So parang with PLDT, they keep on assuring me. Assurance lang talaga.
And I think it's different because she was also coming from a senior level of playing in college. Diba, ikaw na yung ate, but to be with veterans, I'm sure mas marami ka pang napulot from them.
I think that's also the easy part. Now, when you're with a team like PLDT, all you need to focus on is to play your best volleyball. Kasi nandun na sila wala ka na masyadong intindihin. That's the difference also siguro with collegiate and the pros. Now, Kath, you saw the transition also. Di ba? Dati wala sila Aliyah, wala si Del. How were you able to manage that change? Alam kong mas lumakas pa kayo lalo. Pero may mga details kasi na hindi nakikita ng mga tao na ina-adjust natin pag may bagong tao. So as the libero, being the glue, not just in the backcourt, but also of your team, how are you able to, compose everything para mag-function kayo as one team?
Siguro yung sa akin, sa part ko as a leader, siguro mas naging vocal ako, lalo na kay Aliyah. Kasi nga, siya yung parang na-encounter ko na player na onting mistake lang, parang, ay, sorry ate. Parang gano'n. So sabi ko, wag ka mag-sorry, pwede pa naman magbawi. Parang gano'n. Tapos tinatawanan ko siya, okay lang yun, babawi ka naman, marami pa naman. So gano'n lang. Excuse me. Yun nga, yung sinasabi niya na assurance. Kasi nakita namin yung, yung timing kasi siya. So bilang ako yung pinakamaingay sa team. So kailangan kong siguro ilabas yung kulit niya na nag-e-enjoy lang siya sa loob ng court kasi pag nag-e-enjoy, yun nga yung laging sinasabi ni coach, pag nag-e-enjoy kami kasi, mas nalalabas namin yung full potential nga ng player. So, ako naman, kay Ate Del naman kasi, matagal naman na kami magkasama. Siguro yung, pinaka-best is parang ang tatangkad nila. Ako na lang yung maliit. So, ganun, yung mas pero wala naman siyang walang mahirap na i-handle. Kasi lalo na nga ito. Kasi naman siya parang mabilis siya mag-cope up ng mga instruction. So, hindi siya ganun kadali. Yun lang talaga yung iniwas. Huwag ka mag-sorry. Okay lang yun. Marami ka pang ginawang tama kaysa sa mali mo.
Huwag ka daw magsusorry kung uulitin mo yung mistake, sabi ni Kat. Biro lang. Coach Rald, bilang pagtatapos, I'm sure there are things that you discovered about your team, right? First time mo silang ma-witness, mag-celebrate because of a championship. Ano yung pinaka-natutunan mo from your team seeing them? You've been with them for almost 3 years, I believe, diba? Start ng 2023. Yung mga bagay na hindi mo pa nakikita, lumabas na tong championship, ano yung pinaka-natutunan mo about your team?
Na yun nga, totoo yung naging motivation namin yung mga almost namin dati. Yung mga ganong lessons, especially nung semis namin nung on
Last
tour.
year. Akala ko yung 1 year ago. Hindi pala.
Wala na yun. Burado na.
Pero yung pinaka-lesson this year na nakita ko yung semis nga namin with Grimline, mako-compare mo talaga siya from before na siguro kung nung dati yun, mas may duda na eh. May tiklop na eh. Pero nung itong semis, saka nung after ng first set with Kobe, nakita mo na hindi mo sila kailangan masyadong dalhin pabalik kasi sila mismo may gustong trumabaho talaga.
Ako may pahabol ako kay Coach.
Sige.
Coach, yung on-tour invitationals, this was just an appetizer. Di ba? Papunta na tayo sa main course, which is the reinforced conference. So how are you going to enter that conference? Kasi ito, again, balik na yung alas players sa lahat ng club teams nila. Then you also have foreign guest players.
Yeah, the reinforcements are there.
Yes. Anong plano ng PLDT?
Yun nga, huwag kaming tumigil na itaas yung level. Yun nga, masaya magtrabaho this time kasi coming from a championship. Pero aware naman din yung mga players na hindi talaga siya magiging madali this time.
Yeah.
So, iti-take lang ulit yung challenge saka magkaroon talaga kami ng mindset from the start na kahit gaano kahirap, kaya naman siya itrabaho.
At secret muna ang reinforcement niyo? Secret ba muna? Surprise na lang, surprise. So surprise na lang nila tayo.
Page na lang sa page.
Abangan namin yung reveal. But once again, the champions of your 2025 PBL Invitational, back-to-back on tour, and then Invitational. Congratulations, Coach Ralph, Aliyah, and Kath. And thank you for joining us tonight.
Thank you for joining us. I'm Neil Flores.
I'm Dip Dipianco, and this is Starting Lineup.